The Constitution of Bahrain is the supreme law of the Kingdom of Bahrain, providing the framework for its governance and defining the rights and responsibilities of its citizens. Adopted on February 14, 2002, the Constitution represents a significant milestone in Bahrain's political development, establishing a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system. Let's explore some of its salient features. 1. Basic structure. The Bahraini Constitution consists of a preamble and 6 chapters comprising 156 articles. It outlines the principles of the state, the rights and freedoms of citizens, the structure of the government, and the judiciary. 2. Political system. Bahrain is a constitutional monarchy, where the king is the head of state and the symbol of the unity of the nation. The monarchy coexists with a bicameral legislature, consisting of the National Assembly, which comprises the elected Council of Representatives, the lower house, and the appointed Consultative Council, the upper. 3. Fundamental rights. The Constitution recognizes fundamental rights and freedoms for all Bahraini citizens. These include the freedom of belief, expression, assembly, and association. The right to education, healthcare, and social security are also protected. 4. Equality and non-discrimination. The Constitution upholds the principle of equality before the law, prohibiting discrimination based on gender, origin, language, religion, or beliefs. It guarantees equal opportunities for all citizens in public employment and access to public services. 5. Rule of law. The Constitution establishes the rule of law as a fundamental principle, ensuring the independence of the judiciary. It emphasizes the right to a fair trial, the presumption of innocence, and the prohibition of torture or degrading treatment. 6. Economic principles. The Constitution acknowledges the principles of a free market economy, private property rights, and the importance of sustainable development. It promotes economic initiatives, investments, and protects intellectual property rights. 7. Islamic Sharia. The Constitution recognizes Islam as the official religion of Bahrain and states that Islamic Sharia principles are a main source of legislation. However, it also guarantees freedom of worship for individuals of other religions and the right to practice their religious rights. 8. Amendments and referendum. The Constitution provides a mechanism for amendment. Amendments can be proposed by the king or the National Assembly, and they must be approved by a 2/3 majority of the National Assembly. Any amendments affecting the monarchical system or the essential characteristics of the state require a national referendum. Thanks for watching this video and also subscribe Advocate Buzzard Shah channel.